Welcome to the golden ratio formula. In this tactics, I will expect everybody to have this plugin installed in their Chrome extension or Firefox extension. Like in this bar, you're supposed to have installed this extension or this plugin to your browser. So firstly, this is it. We are looking for a keyword that is going to be long tail. That's the benefit of this keyword. A long tail keyword that is going to be very long, and we have a little search volume, and the search volume is going to be in association, like we are going to divide it, and if we gather all the results, if we times it, it's not going to be zero more than 0.230 or 0.2 or 0.23. That's what we are targeting if we times it. So let's watch out. Let's see. Okay, good. This one says it's having 170 monthly search volume. This is fine for us to start with. Let's see, maybe this is what we are going to be doing. So all you have to do at the back of this is writing all in title, column, then enter. This is going to give you a list. Okay, good. As you can see, the search volume is not what we see before. So now it's zero because nobody will search for all in title. But the result is what we are targeting. We have 69 results here. 69 results. So we are going to divide the 69 with the search volume. I think the search volume is just 170. If I'm right, let me check my calculator. Let me see. The search volume is 170. Let me see, maybe 69 divided by 170 divided by 170, 0.4. This is way too much than what we really need. So we can target this on your own risk, but I'm not guaranteeing you that you get to the first page immediately it was indexed. But for the keyword that I got under 0.1 or 0.2, it works fine for me. So I'm still going to keep searching. What I'm going to do is we target this by using product name. So let's see, like Skybots. Okay, fine. So let's see Skybots review. Skybots Amazon. Let's see Skybots Amazon. Skybot Amazon is having 230 monthly search volume. So what we have to do is all in title, column, then search. So we are looking for something that is somehow low to this. Let's see, maybe you can see 350. Let's see, maybe it's somehow okay. 184 divided by 350 equals 0.5. No. This is still managing. So let's keep searching. Charging problem versus airports. Let me see. Best Buy. Yeah, Skybus Best Buy. Let's see. Okay, this is 230 per month. All in title, column, Skybot Best Buy. Let's see what we have. Good. This is a very good result. I think the search was 210. If I could remember, 210 65 divided by 210. Still okay. It's not totally bad. 3.0. But what we are looking for is like 0.3, not totally 0.3 or 0.25. So if you can get something like this, like keep doing your keyword research till you get a very low competitive keyword like this, and like this keyword now, it's okay for me. I can go for it because I have an authority with my domain. But most websites starting did not have an authority in their domain. So if you publish a post, believe me, if you search for this keyword that and you embed the title like Skyboard Best Buy in your title directly like this, believe me, you are going to get to the first page immediately. So that's just it for now, and we move to another tactics.